Good morning. And welcome back to the hangar, everybody. And to start with, I am very glad you guys liked that Tech Talk video that I did last week while I wasn't here. We, family and I drove down to San Antonio and got to see some cool stuff, including the Alamo, which was really nice. But I'm really happy you guys enjoyed the Tech Talk, and I do plan on doing more of those in the future. I don't know how often I'll be able to do those, only because the amount of research that goes into doing those, just to make sure I got good information going out. So yes, you guys can expect more of those into the future. So we brought back our ME-262 from Lone Star. It was really nice having that over on display there, but now she's back, and she likely will be flying in the air show this year. So, but in any event, let's go over to the F-4 and see what we got going on. Alright, part of our work today is going to involve getting that fuel filter can out. Looks like the clamp has already been loosened and it's been drained. At least I think it's been drained. If it hasn't been drained, I'm going to get a fuel bath. But we're going to pull the can out and reseal it. Alright, we're having a little fun with some fog right now. There's a socket that fell off a socket wrench. And now we're chasing it because since we know where it is, we're going to find it first before we proceed on. Doing good, Jack?
Hi, Jack.
I see what you did there. Hey!
There you go.
Hey! Was that all that was up there?
Yeah, that's it. Well, I found some pieces of lock wire. That was it.
Okay. Great. Huzzah!
Okay, so where this socket right here was positioned is there are two hard lines that run sounded like this if you look down on them,
Right.
like that. The socket was right here in between. So there was not enough room for me to get my fingers in there, so I had to kind of push it back underneath the lines where I could get my magnet and pull it up in between the two lines.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, the Phantom doesn't make it easy for you.
No, never does.
It's no stretch.
She never does.
But we got it. We tackled it.
Woo. Alright, so here's that main fuel filter that we've been trying to get out. And this is the line right here, and it's a flexible line. But this is the line that needs to come out in order for us to get this filter off, or out of the airplane completely. I think that's the Avenger.
Looks like it.
That's Lone Star's TBM Avenger. That's cool. I didn't know it was going to fly today. But regardless, big round engines, hell yeah. Riding the brakes, riding the brakes. Here we go. Yeehaw.
He pulled out his phone out.
They all had the airport.
A lot of cool airplanes out on the ramp today. There's our A-4. In case you're wondering why I'm on this one, I got separated from my camera today. It's over in the truck and it's a bit of a walk to get back to it. So I'm using the cell phone for this one. Good stuff. Alright, false alarm. We're not flying this today. I was hopeful, but this is... We got Jack riding brakes. And guest aboard.
Just hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's just hot.
This is what happens when you put 3 aviation YouTubers together. We got Jet Jared there, myself, and Jack.
My head on the canopy when I'm going to turn my...
Alright, well that was fun. It did take some time to fetch that one bit out of that panel and then us wrestling that filter out, which, yeah, we didn't know ahead of time that we needed to pull that main feed line out. But in any case, it's about lunchtime, so thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time.